Yes, my name is Eddie Grimm, the Rock DJ. I'm checking out In a Violent Nature 2024. This is a movie reaction for a film that I have not watched. I have not seen the trailer. I'm going in blind. In a Violent Nature 2024 movie reaction. If you want more movie reactions on this channel, make sure to smash like and subscribe. And without further ado, let's go.
Hey, maybe it's here for a reason.
Oh yeah? What reason, Colt?
Hey Troy, you coming?
Yeah.
That's technically stealing, right? Even though they just found it there. What the fuck is this sound? This is so weird. Was he buried alive? Was he... I have so many questions. Scenes of the dude just walking. Like nobody saw him. He just walked here. Nobody even saw him. We haven't even seen this dude's face, man. Oh, come on. He walked in and the guy walked out. It's like Jason Voorhees, but no machete and no mask.
You'll always be our little boy, John.
That's the locket that was in the forest.
What the fuck?
Jesus.
Get away!
He's been caught by the traps that he was talking about. His heart is written, #1 motherfucker. Well, that was quite the transition. This is a very interesting way to shoot a horror movie, from the perspective of the antagonist, whose face we have not seen, who has not said a word.
Hey, what were you talking about earlier?
What was that?
The slaughter thing.
Oh, the white pine slaughter.
Oh, these are the kids from the opening, okay. I was like, who are these randos?
Yeah. My uncle used to live around here. He told me the whole thing. All the locals know about it, but they'll never talk about it.
A slow kid? What does that mean?
You know, slow. Johnny fell from the tower. His neck snapped as soon as it hit the ground.
Ouch.
And the men freaked out. A couple of the execs from the company showed up to the camp, and every single person was dead. And the police ruled it as a poisoning from tainted meat.
Sure. They'll think it's bullshit or something.
Good story. Fuck your uncle, he's a pedo.
Doesn't count if I forgave him.
Allah. I generally thought that she was going to end up capturing, like, you know, the big guy, like, beheading one of them on camera.
Beer all weekend just because your toxic masculinity won't provide you that good.
Oh boy, he slowly is becoming Jason Voorhees. This whole slasher from the, you know, from the killer's perspective is a good idea. I just wish the killer had, I don't know, more of a personality. Not necessarily talkative, but just more of a personality, instead of just being the silent, creepy type.
Hey, you have a lighter?
But before. I found it.
Is it big and hairy?
It's bigger than Troy's dick.
Fuck, anything's bigger.
That girl just said, fuck, anything's bigger than Troy's dick. God, woman. I just love how he's right there and like nobody's noticing him. Very interesting. Jesus. Jesus. Jesus, mother of God. It turned savage so quickly. Just casually dragging the headless body. And he's carrying the other half of the head in the other hand. I had not even seen that. I feel like the movie is like paying homage to slashes like Halloween, but it's deliberately slow because it's trying to appeal to an older audience, not to a young audience. He used his body to break the mirror. This movie is definitely paying homage to like older horror movies, you know, stuff like Friday the 13th, yeah, Nightmare on Elm Street, yeah, those types of films.
The water's great.
I dressed for yoga.
Does nobody literally see him?
What?
This whole thing that you're doing.
That was beautiful. The way it was executed, the half scream. Very impressive. Did he hold his breath all the way? From this side to that other side? No, there's no help for you, woman. There's no help. Yep. Then after that, all you see is her body floating. Yep. After a while, she'll consume water and then just go to the bottom, and then everybody will be like, ah, where did that girl go? I've noticed this movie heavily focuses on sounds. Sounds of him walking. In that scene where there was the dead animal, you could hear sounds of like insects. You know, like it's like this ASMR type horror movie. I swear, nobody sees this guy. Nobody hears him. It's like a polar bear, grizzly bear is walking towards you and you're not hearing it.
You sure took your time.
You're about to die violently. She just knew her death was coming and accepted it. Jesus, mother of God. That was Homelander level scary. Imagine looking at your guts right before you die. You see the sound of flies. You see the sound of flies. So unnecessary. I've never seen anyone die like that in a horror movie, and I've watched so many of them. Damn. Bro killed someone, no witnesses, brutal Mortal Kombat type death, and then just disposed of the body just like that, in seconds.
Fine. Give me the keys, I'll go. Yeah, you want these?
Oh boy, oh boy. Oh, finally we get to see his face. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious. Gracious, man. Whew, my God.
Oh, you think you can drive that thing?
The way the killer is just near everyone and nobody even notices him.
You think we're crazy? You think there wasn't anyone else in that picture? Well, look at this! I found it on the ground out there!
Oh, so they did capture him in the photo. I was like, I knew that they must capture something in that photo they took at the campfire. Or is this a way to lure the guy out so that the chick is left alone? Oh
What the
man.
fuck is this?
Oh man. Oh, we. Shoot again? Oh, so he's not like invincible. Someone left, right? Whoever left said, "Have fun, you two lovebirds." So I assumed those who remained were a chick and a guy. What is this camera angle? So odd. He threw the axe and actually hit him. Between a rock and a hard place. That's how he's about to die.
Please, help!
Oh my god, that was so graphic. Oh my goodness, that was so graphic. Damn. That was one hell of a fatality. Oh, fuck. They're so fucked.
Go, go, go!
The amount of shots of big guy just walking. Ooh la la. Just a reminder that serial killers don't use Uber. Serial killers in slasher movies don't use Uber.
That's his mother's necklace. It's the only thing holding his soul at rest.
Okay, fine, then we'll just
Oh, that's why it was there.
He's awake now. You remember me?
And he killed the people that I cared about. So I did what my dad did.
3.
I like the fact that that evil dude was counting with them. That's why I'm laughing. Oh my god. He's still alive. Oh no. I could hear bones breaking. I thought the guy had already died. Oh my god, he's still... Oh god. It was better if he had just died from the first injuries. What the fuck is this? Oh my lord. Movie was just made to show you creative ways to take out people. Is this meant to be a reference to Saw? This is like a reference to Saw, something like that. Dear God, man. Holy Lord, this movie. Levels of gruesome I was not expecting in this movie. He just cut him up and then he was like, alright, I'ma head out now. Oh, he knows. He may have been retarded, but he's not that retarded.
Come on, you ugly son of a bitch! We're right!
Ah la 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 la, mamma mia. Mamma mia. You wanted to bait him, but joke's on you, bro. I mean ew. I mean, he's already dead. He doesn't have to be extra dead. I don't know what you're doing, but it's a very bad idea. Oh, she basically said, F this, I'm out of here. F the plan. F everything we had planned to do, I'm out of here. For the first time, the camera is following one of the protagonists. Huh? How are you still hearing the dude? Now the sound of that dude pounding those guts. Okay, pounding those guts is a weird way to describe it, but the sound of that dude pounding those guts. Yeah, that's going to play in my head for a while. Oh, that's a beautiful shot though.
Hey, honey. Can you look at me?
She is traumatized beyond belief.
Was an animal. Jesus. Jesus, what kind of animal?
The most dangerous animal on the planet, a human being.
Hey, honey,
Oh, don't tell me she's bled out and dying.
Let's go to the hospital, okay? Please, 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 please. Just take me to like a hospital, please, please, please.
I'm gonna wrap this around your leg. It's probably gonna hurt a little bit, but I'll be as gentle as I can be.
This is a very interesting shot. Oh, that was tense. I was just waiting for him to come out of the bushes. Well, that was a very weird ending.
When I set out to go to work up in the woods in North Ontario.
What is this song?
The unemployment office said
A song that starts with "twas." A very interesting film. In North Ontario. Just further on to see if there's anything. Shot on location in Ontario, Canada. Alright. So, that movie. Wow. One hell of a slow burn, to be honest with you. But I get what it was trying to do. It was trying to be like pay like homage to other horror movies, I believe. I'm pretty sure if I rewatch it, I'll be able to see like other references to other films, because the whole bear trap thing feels like something straight out of Wrong Turn. The kids with the campfire feels like something straight out of Nightmare on Elm Street or Friday the 13th. Then there are scenes that are very reminiscent of like Halloween. I Know What You Did Last Summer with The Hook. The Mask is very Jason Voorhees. And then also I mentioned Saw, so I feel like the whole movie is just reminiscent of those old school horrors, and it takes it very slow because it's a movie for adults who obviously have a much longer attention span. Out of 10, I'd give this a 6. I'd give it a 6 because it's not doing anything new. Also, the pacing is not for the impatient. As I said, it's like a horror movie ASMR serial killer simulator. However, I like the fact that it's shot mostly from the perspective of the killer, so that's pretty good. I give it a 6 out of 10. If you've enjoyed my reaction, make sure to smash like and subscribe. And on the screen, I leave other reactions I've done for horror movies on this channel. I'll see you in the next one.